question. That's a question from TikTok, by the way. Here's another question that I have from Flores Flores Leak. And it says, what kind of certifications do you have? So certifications that I have, okay, I've got the CISSP. That certification single-handedly changed my life. It's a professional level certification from ISC2 squared. I got it not when it first came out, but shortly after it came out. So I have a pretty low number. They have a set of numbers. So I got mine in like 2006 or 2005 or something like that. And then I've got the ISC2 cap, which it's for a security compliance for NIST 800. I've had two different versions of the Security Plus, one of which doesn't expire because I got it like when it first came out. I used to teach Security Plus, CompTIA. I had the original Network Plus, the original A Plus, which was one certification. Now it's two. I have Microsoft MCP. I had the CCNA, but that expired. That knowledge has left me. Like, if you don't speak a language for a while, it's gone. I mean, I understand still the basics. I could probably configure a router or something like that, but it will take me a minute. Then I've got a bunch of vendor level certifications. I've got one for ArcSight. I've got one for Qualys. I got a few other ones, and I'm not, people call me a paper tiger or whatever, because I go out and get these certs and stuff. I'll get the cert based on the job I'm in. Like, if there's a job I need to do and they need me to learn this particular, a certain thing, then I'll go out and learn that. So that's why I have so many certifications. I got them out of necessity. I didn't get them because I was trying to get a bunch of certifications. It was all, for me, it's out of necessity. I got other things to do with my time. So, you know what I'm saying? Like the next certification I'm going to get is probably going to be a cloud-based certification. Like, I'll probably get that AWS cloud practitioner one coming up real soon, because people keep asking me questions about cloud. I'm like, damn, I'm not really deep on cloud. So, okay, let me see. Jimmy says, thanks for the breakdown, man. I really appreciate that. Hey, man, no problem. No problem at all. Okay.